in their personal warehouses. For transparency in the committee, an official site of FCI is introduced where you can see all the import and export which is done by the FCI from their warehouses. And the MSP which is set up for the farmers is changed in duration of the government, which can also be viewed on the FCI side. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Now I'd like to call Mr. Rohit Bansal to raise his question.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. The Railways is planning to make changes in its fare assessments for the journey. This has concerned the millions of trusted consumers and common man. There is a huge doubt on the intention of the government's plan. Madam Speaker, I hereby want to understand the new system and get our doubts clarified.
I would now like to call Mr. Pratesh to answer the question on behalf of the government.
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, and a very good morning to all of us members of this House. As a railway minister, I would like to answer these questions raised by the opposition. Why the government increase or why the government rise the policies for the Indian Railway? The reason behind this, for the revenue will generate after this will be improve the high density network of the railway, and the second one is the safer and the modern infrastructure of the railway. The other reason behind this is to sustainable, Bharatiya Rail financially sustainable by generating a revenue. Cleanliness. I have to put some data over the cleanliness. We built new toilet covering 650 additional stations compared to 120 stations last year. Why toilets are fitted in coaches? So far we have to replace the toilet with 17,338 bio toilets. Now we are intended to research, design and the standard organization has also been tasked to maintain this. By this government, our Honorable Prime Minister has intended to make an India digital India program. By going to this, all the stations must be Wi-Fi. The all A and A1 station of the Indian Railway must be Wi-Fi, and about one sub-category station of B category station also be Wi-Fi. The other major reason behind the fare policies to deliver a sustained and major improvement in comfortability and customer experience and the passengers experience in the Indian Railway. We are living in a 21st century, but the situation of our Indian Railway is going down poorer and poorer day by day. So, to increase the capacity of the railway, to enhancement in the seat position to coaches position. So, the government is intended to increase the 26 coaches from the existing 24 coaches. The Indian society is a middle class society, so the government intended to increase the more general classes coaches to Indian Railway, to station development. Indian Railway has intended to develop our stations like the other countries' stations are developed. This is the intention of the government to increase the fare policy and to increase the Indian Railway to the modern development. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call Mr. Nikhil to raise his next question.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, as the leader of opposition, I was quite worried for some days because of the price rise in the pulses. I want to ask the government, pulses has been an essential part of our daily diet in a regular day. It is also an essential protein component in the diet of every poor class Indian. However, the price rise of pulse has snatched this from their meal. When the government was aware of the shortcoming in the production of same beforehand, why they have not taken any decision about it? स्पीकर, मैं मेरे सभी सदन में मौजूद दोस्तों का ध्यान इस तरफ केंद्रित करना चाहूंगा कि गरीब की थाली से दाल दूर होती जा रही है। गरीब जिसका मेन आधार प्रोटीन होता है दाल के जरिए, सरकार ने क्या किया है और सरकार क्या कदम उठा रही है? एक गरीब आदमी, एक मिडिल क्लास पर्सन जिसके घर में रोज दाल बनती है कि बच्चों को प्रोटीन मिले, वो आदमी आज दाल नहीं खरीद पा रहा है। दाल 200 रुपए किलो तक हो गई। सरकार ने क्या कदम उठाए? सरकार ने क्या Speaker, it is pertinent for every member of the House to know whether the government is merely a silent spectator on this issue. If not, what are the future steps that the government is going to take to check the price rise? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Now, I would like to call Ms. Ravina on behalf of the government to answer the question.
Madam Speaker, I'm thankful for this opportunity. With pulses spiking to a record of rupees 190 per kg, we have come into an action with a number of measures for price stabilization funds and imports to cool prices in buffer stocks. We have decided to invoke rupees 500 crores price stabilization fund that will be used to pay for transportation, handling, mining, processing, aimed at reducing the cost of imported pulses. This would help in increasing supplies and making pulses available in the retail markets at lower rates. Madam Speaker, also states have been asked to list stock of pulses lying at ports like Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium near Mumbai. And to deal with the supply crunch, the government has also decided to create buffer stock of lentils mainly through imports. More quantity for the next few days will also be imported into the country so that the supply problem can be taken care of, which will have an impact on prices. Therefore, 2,000 tons of pulses will be imported to curb rising prices. This will be in addition to the 5,000 tons of pulses lying at the ports and another 2,000 tons of pulses that are in transit. Madam Speaker, also the government has taken steps to check illegal sale of pulses in the market, which is commonly called black marketing. And we are also working upon to reduce hoardings by ordering unpredictable rates into that area. And we are also working upon greater MSP to produce more and more amount of pulses. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call Mr. Rohit to raise his question.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Whether the Pakistani security forces have been opening fire time and again at the border security force posts and villages along the international borders, the measures taken for the rehabilitation and payment of compensation to the affected families, whether there are reports of infiltrations under cover of cross-border firings along the borders. If so, what steps are government planning to take, and the measures taken by the government to check ceasefire violations at the borders and ensure the safety of the civilians at such areas.
Now, I'd like to call Mr. Pritesh on behalf of the government to answer the question.
The question which is asked by the opposition is very sensitive. is very sensitive. And to answer this question in a very sensitive manner and a very innovative or creative manner. हमें ये क्यों लगता है कि हमारे अपोजिशन कुछ जल्दबाजी में कुछ ऐसी चीजें कह रहे हैं जैसे कि जब सरकार थी तो उन्होंने सारी चीजें बड़े बेहतरीन और नायाब तरीके से उठाई। कुछ चीजों को वक्त और परिस्थितियों पे रख दें तो चीजें बेहतर हो जाती हैं। अगर हम गवर्नमेंट की स्टेप्स के बारे में बात करें तो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने क्या क्या स्टेप्स लिए उनको कंट्रोल करने। सबसे पहले ये देखा जाए कि कब कब ये इंसिडेंट्स हुए। इंसिडेंट्स की बात की जाए तो गवर्नमेंट पिछले डाटाओं को तो काफी नहीं बता सकती है, लेकिन जो अभी डाटा है उनमें जोर देते हुए द इंडियन पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर स्क्रिमेज बिटवीन द September and November 2015 on 7 September November an Indian civilian was killed by the Punjab Rangers. On 11 September the Pakistan army handed over the Indian woman having with a Nagpur village in a Poonch district. The government not only discussed about the Indian act, they also answerable to the act which is done or which is did in a Pakistan region. The Pakistan on 15 September, Shams Khan, a Pakistani ranger soldier from Gilghat, Balochistan, was killed by the BSF fighting in the Azad Kashmir battle sector along with us. हमारी गवर्नमेंट ये नहीं चाहती कि केवल हम अपने बारे में बात करें। वही पाकिस्तान जो सन 1950 के पहले हमारे साथ जुड़ा हुआ था, वही पाकिस्तान जिससे आज हम लड़ रहे हैं। इसलिए हमें दोनों देशों के मद्देनजर परिस्थितियों को समझना है। अगर गवर्नमेंट की स्टेप्स की बात की जाए तो गवर्नमेंट स्टेप्स टू रिफॉर्म द सिचुएशन, द गवर्नमेंट टेक द सिचुएशन वेरी क्यूरोसिटी एंड वेरी सेंसिटिवली to sustain the intelligence between the both nations like ISI and RAW. The main reason behind to control this is not a Pakistani army to control the terrorist activities which is supported by the Pakistani. To control the terrorist activities which is handed over by the PSF or a Pakistani army to militant or to an act which is militant in India. Reason. The step taken by the government to a relief. The central government decided to give 3 lakh to per individual who, in case of a death, 3 lakh or in a case of any grievous injury, 1.5 lakh to a member or a member of the family. The central government is not answerable only for himself or for the only center